Hi dear 7th standard children, in the previous class we have studied about morning walk and part 1 story of your lesson healthy life. I gave some assignment. Let us see the answer for those questions. First one, which was the healthiest place that you could imagine? Answer, Earth was the healthiest place that we could imagine. Here you should be write as we in the answer. Okay. Second question, who was furious? Furious means very angry. One of the witches was furious. Not all the witches. One of the witches was furious. Third question, what made the potion go wrong? While uttering the words, one of the witches made a mistake. This made the potion go wrong. Fourth question, what happened after the explosion? Answer, after the explosion, the entire forest was completely destroyed. I hope you wrote correct answer. Okay, let us continue to the next topic. Listen. Take a pencil and underline the new words. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped. Underline the word trapped. Trapped means a bad situation from which one cannot escape. In liquid, in a small bottle which was lying in the swamp. Underline the word swamp. It means an area of soft wetland. One day, a little boy found this bottle, thinking it contained a nice new drink. He swallowed it fully. Swallowed. Underline the word swallowed. It means drink. The germ-like witches took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger and wait for them at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. Dear children, did you understand anything by this paragraph? What happens as a result? Which result? The entire forest was destroyed, na? For that result, all the witches turned it into a tiny creatures like germs. Tiny means small creatures like germs. They were trapped in a small bottle which was lying in the swamp. But what happened? One day a boy found it and drank it fully. He thought it may be a drink, it may be a juice. So he drank it fully. Now he started becoming sick. Understand? Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. What happens now? The boy's likes becomes dislikes, dislikes becomes likes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat fruits, vegetables, good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger. Now, he started becoming sick and doing things which he never did before. Means his food habits and the way of living fully changed. It becomes or it leads to ill health. Ill means sickness. What he was doing? He was waiting for the food which comes from the hotels or restaurants. Means he ordered the food in the hotel. He was waiting for that and he was watching the televisions. He wanted to eat only ice creams, chips, pizza, burger like this. So all the habits was fully changed. Now next paragraph. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. Now he didn't want good foods to eat. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Ill means sickness, jvara. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. What happens now? That boy didn't want to eat any good foods like fruits, vegetables. He didn't want to eat anything, and he didn't want to do exercises also, and especially playing with friends also. Understand? He stopped to go out from the house. Just he wanted to do was only sitting at home, watching the TV, lying on the bed. That's it. So this started illness feeling. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. He didn't want to do anything. Just he wanted to do was simply sitting. That boy becomes a lazy boy. So what is happening now? The evil potion had worked. Yes, that juice, that potion is working now. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another person like virus. Now corona is spreading, right? Like that. Witches learned to jump from one person to another. Spreading this illness. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst disease called the disease of wasting life. What was the disease? The disease of wasting life. Understand? Okay. Let us continue in the next class. Take some assignment questions. Write the meanings of the words tinny, trap, swamp. Second one, what happened to the witches after the explosion? Third one, what did the boy do with the new drink? Fourth question, how did the boy change after drinking the potion? Fifth question, mention the worst thing that the witches learned to do. Let us continue. Thank you.